If you need to change your itch.io email, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you made a typo, want to use a new inbox, or just need to update your account information, this is a simple change you can do in just a few moments. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your itch.io account. Make sure you're signed into the account that you want to update, because the email change will only apply to that specific profile. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for your profile icon. Click on it to open your account menu. From the menu, go to Settings. This is where itch.io keeps your account preferences and personal information. On the Settings page, look for the Account section and click it. That's the area where you can manage key details like your username, email, and other account-related information. Now scroll or look for the Email section. This is where your current email address should be listed. Click into the email field and enter your new email address carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, extra spaces, or missing characters, because even a small error could stop you from receiving important messages. After typing in the new email, double-check it one more time. If everything looks correct, save your changes. Depending on your account settings, itch.io may ask you to confirm the update through a verification email. If that happens, just open your inbox and follow the confirmation link or instructions provided. Once the change is saved, your itch.io account should now be linked to the new email address. It's always a good idea to log out and back in if you want to make sure everything updated properly. Also, check your new inbox for any account notifications so you know the change went through successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your itch.io email. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want help with anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.